For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. Itiski TV powered by World Sports Betting. itiskitimes.co.za. Bafana 1. Panama 1 mdlalo we-international friendly onke amaqela ayapreparisha for i-World Cup leza udlala ke this year. Last year we had the City World Cup ikude, but now we are just counting inyanga siyamqukumbela u-April this weekend ogqibela mina ka-March lesikuyo. Now so the April May ngoJune nge-11 kaJune iyaqala i-FIFA World Cup. Uyakhumbula ngo-2010 nge-11 kaJune what happened? Bafana against Mexico. Iyaphindwa ke lonto again ngoku 2026. It is how many years later boss? 2010. It's 11 years later, 16 years later.
Years,
wow. Minyaka yakhawuleza. Yangitso wawusekhona ngo-2010? Ngokumphi unyaka? Oh. Even inyana kaTsobe ngekho ngo-2010.
Wayengabuza ukuthi
Nyana kaTsobe ngekho ngo-2010 akayazi World Cup. Uzabukela i-World Cup yakhe ke ngo bafana la game yayimphosile ngo-2010. uThixo wenze sure ukuthi umfana uzayifumana again. Izakubathi ke ayizokwenzeka eMzantsi Afrika eFNB, izakwenzeka ngapha yake e-United States or Mexico. Mhlobam besibukele sobabili nomdlalo. We are looking good today, yeah?
yathanda ukusukelana ukranje.
I'm good man, I'm good.
Yeah, no, right chain. Ithi ngibingelela amadoda. Justo. Ngibingelela uMr Nke, ngibingelela uTsono Junior Prime.
Umdlalo bekusuppose siugqibe first half lo.
Yeah.
But ke asawugqiba. Nge-AFCON le iphelileyo. Zikhona igame besithi we should have won the game ngescore esithile, but we missed chances. Remember the game against Cameroon. We missed chances.
Yeah.
They punished us. Lendi phansi yenzeka namhlanje because the team they didn't create any chances. They got one, you have chance nayo suka kakuthi. They capitalized. Bakora, but Tina, we needed about 6 just to score 1. In Kumuza nye team apha ku-Betway Premiership. But mhlobam yawava amabhakaniya kwelacala.
Hayi mina ngikhuluma nge-national team, ngikhuluma ngebafana. Namhlanje kudlala bafana Shane.
Basiphazamisa ngapha mhlobam.
Mara into awuwele ndaba.
No,
Uwohlokoloza uTso. Uyazi ukuthi uzawuthetha.
Babusini, basingene kuyo mhlobam. Umdlalo namhlanje ubone njani?
Yeah, Shane. Ngiyacabanga mngani wami, for me I think bekuyigame right for my preparation. Mawungabheka, I like the way ucoach azama mhlawumbe ukuthola lama combination. Into ebalekile manje ukuthi uthola ama combination ozokhona ukuthi wazi ukuthi uzofacana nalamaqembu ku World Cup kanjani. Okuningi manje ama results nani akusinto ebalekile kangaka ukuthi uprepare ngendlela right yini na. If you can check their team ePanama, I think the way badlala ngakhona uyabona ukuthi i-team ene structure esazi ukuthi banaba team kanjani kule group abayidlala nayo. The way ba approach le game yanamhlanje uyakhona ukubona ukuthi they understand ukuthi okay sidlala friendly away, but kumele ukuthi sidlale kanjani because azibazanga ba create ama chance amaningi njengoba usho Shane. Bathole leyo chance bapunisha kunala khona ngibone I think le striker sabo uOtamendi Rubana thola chance but kunganabadlali abazomsupport because the way bebadlala ngakhona awubazi namagama. Yeah Shane man, so uma uthi uyibheka nomngani wami bebakwazi ukuthi badlale nga5 emuva, badlale nga4 and le 4 yabo bayidlala i5-2-2-1. Uma ungabheka that guy we striker kumele joine hilabantu abadlala ama half 10 abawu2 uma ngaba bamba ibhola and bagudu uma ba defender because ungabheka 3 central defense yalamajita and le 3 central defense Shane bebavula space ku midfield yabo. Kunomjita abambizo Martinez. Uyu umdlali bekalanda lamabhola kule defense uma ngabe ibamba ibhola and bashiya space kanje uma ba defend uma ungathi uyibheka kuna le 2 midfield yabo balinde kuphela ukuthi oyi1 uzodlala kule space number 10 isikela uThemba or uRelo mangena kusuka 1 central defense iyo pressa lo yamdlali. Uma pressa uRelo or press uzwane then bayabuya bonke bazocover lesa space. So ngicabanga ukuthi basebenzele kakhulu because ama wing back wabo beyangayijump le ya center. Bebazi ukuthi siyahamba siye center sisala nga 3 rest defense. and siba u4 lapha and le 4 the way ba structure ngakhona seyiba i3-4-2-1 bazi ukuthi phela nje thina sifuna ukuthi si add number in the middle of the park ukuthi noma ilinokhi bafana ilinokhi ele halfini yabo so ngiyacabanga ukuthi ama preparation abangale ndlela because bekunganasidingo sokuthi banga create more chances because they understand ukuthi ba prepare ukuthi bafuna ukudlala kanjani so Shane uma ungathi ubheke side lebafana ngiyacabanga ukuthi yes bekumele si score amagoli amaningi kakhulu ngiyacabanga kuleke composure kubadlala abafana no Foster up front uma umgadli Shane wona lama friend lawa kumele usibonise Shane ukuthi uphetheni kumele usibonise score Shane uzokwazi ukuthi ube ne confidence going to i-World Cup but uma wenza kanje wenza abantu abafana nathi sihlezi sibukela le ball TV sicabenge kaningi ukuthi bakhona abanye abadlali mhlawumbe ucabanga ukuthi bangabuya bazoyenza umsebenzi kubafana because kuma friendlies awusinikezi lento ecabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe kumele ukuthi si expect uyenza ku World Cup Shane because lawa ama preparation Shane you must show Shane ukuthi ufane nabo Tebza uphakamisa isandla nakulama game ukuthi no man siyazi ukuthi siprepare lama game then uyabona ne defense yethu ukuthi umbokazi vele umdlalo esishoda ngayo kule center back asikho mnandi kule center back Shane uma ngabe siyofuna ukuthi sithi siya kuba World Cup mhlambe sinabadlali abafana nabombokazi bangekho o Tebza angekho abo Seyila bangekho sizoba ne problem Shane sizoba ne problem enkulu kakhulu because ubheka nalesisu sethu na AFCON lento sayikhuluma Shane mina bengamtrya umbatha no Tebza ngifuna ukubona something because bonke bangama hard worker yes umbatha ungasho ukuthi angeke ayidlale i90 minutes but uzoba no Tebza ngiyacabanga ukuthi khona abangasinikeza kona because uyaya no Tebza iyahlangana kahle because kuma build up uyaya kuba nzima ukuthi angadlala if uTebza mhlambe utholakala ngale kuyoba nzima for uyaya ukuthi singaba ne build up kusho kona ukuthi kumele sidlale wide or sidlale route 1 and uyabona route 1 uRonwen umuntu ongafuni ukudlala so kusho kona ukuthi kumele alethe la uyabona nale ya goal ukuthi kuyenzakaleni useyile ba interceptile le bola but beka unikeza uyaya but Majid uma ungabheka wePanama bas position right ngale pressing bazile ukuthi once akhona ukinterceptor la kufast ukuthi singafika eboxini yala Majid and ukufika eboxini yabafana kunzima abanye ama goal ukwa defend as a goalkeeper Shane last week ngakutshela ngokuthi uma ngabe bazoshaya free kick bayijumpise ku wall it's difficult for a goalkeeper ukufika nokuthi bayishaye la ibhola libuya ngakhona kule direction ibhola libuya ngakhona if umdlali uzofuna ukuthi angene phakathi akhathe in aphinda azoshaya le bhola kule side ibhola libuya ngakulo kunzima and ethola ukuthi ulishaya kuphi kunabadlali abazange bampress Shane uyana ngemzimba just your block lela ball uma ngaba dribble kuzoba ne second man ezo intercept or mhlambe it close lesa space but if you gonna allow the attacking player kule box ukuthi angathatha i-shot on target it's difficult for a goalkeeper ukuthi angasave amabhola afana nalawo Shane
you mentioned umbokazi kule defense bobuzini
yes
ukuthi mhlawumbi without yena singane problem wa mention uTebza in the middle one mention even uMudau but pha ku striking force in a normal world when abobuzini xa ku announce a squad se national team whether it's Nigerian or Ghana or South Africa normally sayazi ukuthi those are the best players as a country obviously i-opinions zethu zawusoloko ke singabalandeli sithethe ukuthi no you should have called ubani but now xa sijonge la as a striking force sobafana do you think we have the best striking force kubafana
the answer Shane is no because uma ngabe sinabagadla bangasinikeza amagoli kuyoba nzima and uyabona coach Hugo Bros ufuna ukudlala ngama diagonal pass bheka namhlanje ubheka uNdamane ubheke uObre amabhola aba changeayo ku direction bafuna ukuphulana lama window because they understand ukuthi kuba ne space if I win a space kumele sidlale behind the defense and if uzodlala behind the defense for me ngiyacabanga uyomdinga umdlalo ofana no Reynas because une speed khumbula ukuthi kunama defender slowly Shane and uma ngabe bazofuna ukuthi bafuna ukupress bafana if ifuna ukubuilder then kuzoba ne space abazoshiya so ngiyacabanga ukuthi asinabo bagadla ba enough Shane bokuthi mhlambe singacabanga ukuthi bazosinikeza lawo magoli but mangabe ubheke umdlalo ofana no Reynas
bakhona pha kwi country but abekho
bafana abekho Shane so ngiyacabanga Shane ukuthi angicabanga ukuthi le squad les anaso manje akusi final squad eya World Cup
Yeah.
So mhlambe khona abadlali angahle abalethe but khumbula ukuthi sekuyomina asebenzise le philosophy yakhe Shane yokuthi bekangekho but ngiyomdlalisa kanjani because lawa ma preparation ukhumbule ukuthi lawa ma preparation if unomdlalo ukucama ukuthi ufuna ukuhamba naye bekumele ukuthi umlethe at least azo understand ukuthi ufuna abadlale kanjani. Now uzothatha i-risk manje because lo yamdlalo uma umletha awusasenawo ama friendly umletha la expect ukuthi enze lento mhlambe ngalama game afana nalawa and kuyoba difficult you understand. Yes ungamletha uma ngabe kunabadlali abathola ama injuries but uma ngabe uthi wena ufuna ukureshafula ngiyacabanga ukuthi it's a waste of time because uletha abadlali ongeke uye nabo mhlambe ku World Cup maybe uma ngabe kunama injuries ngizo understand ukuthi okay kunomdlali mhlambe wazi ukuthi uzomlanda azo understand ukuthi ufuna adlale kanjani. So ngiyacabanga Shane ukuthi somewhere somehow Shane kusadingakala ukuthi alungise ama combination wakhe Shane njengoba ngikutshela yabona ungalimala umbokazi asenkingeni nje
Bobzini
angifuni ukukutshela manga kule center back sisenkingeni enkulu kabe Shane
lo mbuzo wogqibela before sivale I think ndikubuzile before iAfcon I think khona i-friendly I just can't remember which friendly sidlale before iAfcon ndikubuza ukuthi sindawuni na siridi kangakanani na for iAfcon and you gave me a straight answer nangoko ndizakubuza again nangoko ukuthi before i World Cup siridi kangakanani. I know there's still a new friendly suppose sidlale mhlawumbe bangasqueeze in a new friendly just a few weeks before i World Cup I don't know but I think ezizogqibela I don't know but xa sewujongile Bobzini based on what you saw namhlanje uburedi bethu kangakanani out of 100% nowasingubani mhlobo.
I'm not undermining ucoach Hugo Broos ne technical team yonke nje iphelele yebafana bafana but into engizokutshela yona Shane let's celebrate ukuthi siqualifyile kuphela. Into engakutshela yona let's celebrate ukuthi siqualifyile mngana.
Okay igame ebafana bafana inge-11 enye inge-18 17 18 enye inge-25 Bobzini uthi let's just celebrate ukuthi we will be playing those games bakhona abangayanga kwi World Cup sibonile izolo iItaly iphanse yangayodlala phofu ke ayiqualifyanga kayona they still need to play umdlalo before ba qualify khona amazwe amakhulu azabebukele ibafana bafana on TV but Bobzini uthi let's just celebrate ukuthi thina nge-11 ka June up until 25 ka 24 25 ka 28 ka June sabe siyodlala iWorld Cup uthi mhlobo mphoni
before uyivala Shane kunamanye amagama ungawakhulumi udlalela ngapha bosani side uzoba nenkinga.
Okay Sunnyside and Hillbrow ne ndikuvile mhlobo ndikuvile okay let's close it bafana 1 Panama 1 international friendly with Moses Mabhida Stadium. Thank you so much for watching iDiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to iDiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.